guys, Diamond Christian 21 here. Today we're going to be doing spring startups because it's like 75 out and it feels great. So yeah, we're going to start off as always with the good old Rheem Central units. This one's actually, I learned these are actually 20, one of them, this one's actually the weird thing about these two units. This one's a 2016, if you can see on the data sheet, 2016. And if you come to this one, she's a 2017. Weird. So I wonder why this one's better than that one. Lol. Okay, so I guess we'll start off with the bottom floor unit. Cosmo's out here as always to join us today. So let's do it. Okay guys, here she is. Gentex fan motor with a Copeland spool compressor. Woo! We're gonna see if she gets cold. Yeah, that's getting cold. Yeah. This one I know is always reliable for me. Whew. Yeah. The ants on top of that. That just got blown into the sky. Hey, let's disconnect the blocks. Woo! This thing's blowing out good. My dog likes the air conditioner too. This one will probably get cleaned soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go do a shutdown. Okay guys, that was the 2017 Rheem Classic 2.5 ton central air conditioner. Time to do the other one. Okay, we're gonna start up the 2-ton 2016 Rheem Classic. Okay guys, here it is. Rattlemaster. Try to stop it from rattling. Come on, stop rattling, please. Yeah, there you go. You get the bearings and stuff. I feel absolutely nothing on this one so far. Might just be me, but this one's the one I think has a leak. We don't know, we'll confirm it later this summer when we get checked out by an HVAC tech, but so far I don't feel anything. Nothing on either of them. Nothing, I don't know. I hope it has a charge. I'm gonna let her run for a good amount of time. We'll see what happens. Okay guys, it looks like the units are, I guess we're ready to do the window unit section of the video. So let's get going. Okay guys, first up is the higher. Okay, you guys might have many questions about what's happened here. First of all, I installed it because why not? It gets hot in this garage and I work in here. So yeah, well, yeah, we'll start her up on low fan. So first, oh, and by the way, the front grill's gone because one of the things that this connects to, it broke off, so it's currently being flex glued right now. Anyway, my camera cut out, so here's the higher. The front grill's getting glued right now. It's installed, so yeah, we're gonna start up on low fan. Here we go. Yeah, there's water in it. High. Okay, I'm gonna attempt. I don't know if you're gonna hear the compressor that well. We'll go outside. So here we go. Low cool. So it's on. I originally installed the Frigidaire, but that one's gonna be installed somewhere else. You'll see. There is a drain hole. Let me try to get it working real quick. There it goes. There it goes. There. There's a stick clogged in it. I have to make it bigger one day, but anyway, there, yeah, it's right on low. I'm gonna put it on high. She can't freeze up. It's literally impossible for it to freeze up because it's so hot out. Well, it's possible for it to freeze up a little. It's gonna thaw out any second now just because it's so hot it's gonna just melt. Yeah, there it goes. Yep. Now it's just gonna condensate like crazy. You know, like a regular air conditioner. This garage is a mess because I installed it like a half hour ago. I sealed it up and everything. I'm pretty proud of the install myself. I installed it all by myself. There's stupid highway. So here it is. Ice and cold. We're back on low. Okay, shut off. Okay, next unit. Okay, next unit is the Frigidaire. This is the one that's gonna get installed somewhere else. Let's plug her in. I'm gonna plug my stupid charger. Hold on a second. Okay, plugged in. Now it's time to start her up. Let me bring my chair over so I can sit. My lawnmower's right here, just sitting here. Okay, low fan. High fan. Off. Low cool. Okay, high cool. So yeah, okay, let's shut her down. Next unit. Okay, so we're gonna start up the Sharp Comfort Touch. Let's start up on low fan. Actually, let's start up on high fan for a change. Here we go, high fan. Put on medium fan. And low fan. I'm gonna go low cool. 3, 2, wait. Make sure that it's all the way down. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Sounds like a Machishita, but it's actually a Rachi. Shake. Vibrating. Let's go high. Cool. Medium cool. I tried installing this one. This one's too big. Big boy unit. Well, it can't fit, but I'm gonna have to. But this thing is heavier than the higher, so this thing is actually pretty heavy and bulky. Tall isn't always good, especially for that little window up there. energy saver. Let's spray it up. Now watch the fan shut off. And that's it. Now, the best for last. Okay, best for last, the GM Frigidaire. So, the reason why it's apart is because it's going under restoration soon. That's right. This is going to be smoke gray by the time I'm done with it. And everything's going to be preserved, and it's going to be beautiful. And it'll be installed in my bedroom when it's done, so... Yeah, Tecumseh compressor, Tecumseh AK, made in 1969. Let's start up on low fan. Low fan. Nice leaves. High. And off. And let's bring her over to cool. Low cool, Tecumseh compressor. Tecumseh AK compressor. Here we go. It does that when it's not in head pressure. It hasn't ran for a while, so give it a second. Capillary tubing. Give it a second. Head pressure. Woo! Yep, she's going. That is already condensating. My condenser's already sweating like crazy, like because it's an old unit. That's why. That's not. I mean, so I've seen some modern units, but it takes more a while because of the rotary compressors. But I'm more on this guy's side. High cool. In between speeds. Ah, yes, that sound never gets old. Fan motor's oil too. Beautiful, I love this thing. So yeah, I'll do dehumidifiers because why not? GE dehumidifier startup. Okay, here's a quick startup of my higher dehumidifier I found on the curb. So, here we go. It's low. This thing's set, I'll shut it down. Before I end the video, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have to get for the GM for its restoration when all this stuff comes in. It's good. So here we're gonna have to get some insulation for the suction line. One of the capacitors. The other capacitor is on eBay because they don't have it on Amazon. Some blue Rust-Oleum paint for the fan blades. Clear coat for the paint, black paint for the inside of the base pan, and some smoke gray for the outside for the case and the outside. It's gonna look really cool when it's done, so I can't wait. Thin comb, even though it's not really needed on the GM, and some motor oil for it. So yeah, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this startups of the units after getting them out of hibernation for 6 months. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll talk to you guys whenever. So see you guys later.